No.
Okay, this is Amber. Before she was fully trained, when she see a lawnmower, she will run so fast. She will try and break doors, scratch doors, trying to find somewhere to hide. She would just go as far away as possible, panicking. I want to just show you what it looks like if a dog is fully trained, so it's not afraid of the lawnmower. Bye-bye. Come here. Watch this. She knows exactly what it is. She's not afraid of it. Watch this. Come on, baby. Amber, come. What's up, everybody? Today I'd like to take this opportunity to make a video about how to help your dog overcome its fear. My dogs are not fear of many things, but one thing they are both afraid of is the lawnmower. Before the puppy is old enough to face its fear, we don't want to push it too hard. Traumatizing your dog doesn't help you, doesn't help the dog. It makes things a lot worse. It will be a lot easier to train your dog than trying to fix something that went wrong. I don't really use food to train my dog if it's afraid of something, because usually it doesn't want to eat if it's scared. However, if you can introduce play drive is opposite to fear. So if you can introduce play drive, it can replace fear. You won't be scared of whatever that's unnecessary to be scared about. It's important not to push your dog to face its fear beyond its capacity. So for lawnmower, usually I will introduce a lawnmower to my dogs when they are very young. But if they want to go away, run away, or hide from the lawnmower, I don't stop them until they are willingly they're willing to come forward to get trained. Amber, come here. Come on. You want to help? Okay. Amber, come on. Come. Amber, come. Yeah. Good girl. I'm trying to get Amber to get used to the lawnmower before I even started. If I turn it on, she's gonna run. But she's getting a lot better. She used to run. Once I pull the lawnmower out of the shed, she'll take off. Can you see her? She's very worried right now. She is not happy with the lawnmower in her presence. Amber, Amber, come. Amber, come.
Amber, come.
It's okay. Come on, come on, girl.
Dad, please a puppy.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna start this.
I want to stop.
You ready?
Yep.
Alright. The important thing, when she runs, I'm not going to react. I'm going to make sure she understands this is nothing to worry about. She's already a bit worried. Can you see her body language?
Oh,
She's
yeah.
avoiding it. Alright, let's go. Grass might be too long. Good girl. Good girl. Yes? Start again, eh? I'm touching the lawnmower. She's a bit scared, but not horrified like she used to, and I'm very happy about that. I let it be. No pressure there. Because this first part is scary. Scary for people as well. She came back. She came back. You came back. Good girl. You came back. What a good girl. You came back. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Amber. Good girl. Are you a good girl, Cream? Cream is not scared at all, eh? Tough as nails, Chihuahua. Tough as nails. Yes. Tough as nails. Woohoo! 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 Yahoo! There you go, girls. Okay, we're gonna start lawnmower again. The noise is what scares her. So as Amber got quite comfortable with the lawnmower, I'm gonna take it a step further. I'm gonna feed her on the lawn while I'm using the lawnmower. You wanna help? Okay. Cool. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw the fruit on the lawn here while I do my job on the other side. Sit, wait. Sit, Cream, sit, wait. Stay, stay. This is not challenging my dog in any way. I'm only doing this because I now know she's comfortable with the lawnmower. Wait, 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 wait. Sit, sit. Amber, sit. Good girl. Wait. If you do this too early, you will have a reverse effect, I think. But if your dog is comfortable like she does now, as you saw, it will be okay. No fear at all. Go, go, Cream, go, go. Yeah. No, no, Emma, no. She's eating.